Hi everybody and welcome. Today I bought myself a new vacuum cleaner, so let's go check it out. Okay then, this is my second Dyson upright vacuum cleaner, and the reason why I've chosen another Dyson is because I've had a DC14 for about the past 12 or 13 years, and I've got to say it's still going strong. It's a little bit bulky, a little bit clumsy, so I now mainly use it for vacuuming the car out and things like that. So it does all the naff tasks at the minute, but that said, it's still going. I did lots and lots of research on vacuum cleaners, Dyson in particular, and I've gone for this model, the Lightball Multifloor. Now there's a few reasons for that. One reason is the weight. At 6.9 kilograms, it's quite a light thing. As vacuum cleaners go, it's quite light and quite easy to pick up and lump around. Also, the maneuverability is fantastic on this model. It's goes around on the ball, so you can just use your wrist to twist left and right and it'll turn with you. It's absolutely great for that. I tried it out for about half an hour in the shop. It was brilliant. Best way to spend a Sunday. More interestingly, the brush at the bottom on the roller, which picks up all the dirt and the hairs from your carpet, it's a continuous brush, so it goes all across the roller on the bottom, whereas on my old model it was there was brushes every sort of half a centimetre, and it did miss bits in between those brushes, so you had to go over a few times over and over again. This model, it seems to pick up everything in one swoop because it's a continuous brush. I think that's a fantastic upgrade. Seems quite simple, but it's made a hell of a difference to the way it picks up dirt from the carpet. Now the last reason I bought this was because Dyson offer a 5-year no quibble guarantee, and I can absolutely hand on heart tell you that it's a fantastic guarantee. I had the same guarantee on my DC14, and I had to use it when I had a problem with the motor, and the guy came out in his van. He came in, he didn't just fix the motor, but he changed all the other parts on the unit that were showing signs of wear, and the power cord and everything, and it was practically a brand new vacuum cleaner when the guy left. So the guarantee on these things is absolutely second to none. I haven't received that amount of good customer service from any other company. Their customer service is absolutely fantastic. Oh, and one other thing, there's a sliding switch on the bottom where the roller is, and that controls the amount of suction that the unit's using, so you can put it on low, medium or high, and that is fantastic. If you put it on the lightest setting, it's still brilliant and really sucks up. If you put it on the medium setting, it's got so much more suction. It's absolutely perfect on the medium setting, actually. That's where I've left it. If you put it on the high setting, it is ridiculous. It sucks so hard that it's hard to push the vacuum cleaner around. So bravo, Dyson. The middle setting for me though is perfect. Now, as you can see, putting this unit together is it's quite easy. I had no problems at all. Everything just slots into place and clicks securely into place. And this other piece here just clips onto the side of the vacuum cleaner, and that's to hold your accessories, your wands and your little brush. One thing to note is that you must push this clip all the way down until you hear a click. You have to really give it some to click it into place, and once it's clicked into place, it doesn't come off. filter off the vacuum cleaner is quite simple. There's a little red button at the top of it on the handle, and you just press that down and it sort of comes away from the housing. If you press it again, and this time press it all the way down, so you have to press it quite hard, that's how you empty it. The bottom pops out, so you do that when you're over a dustbin or in a bag. You push the button all the way down and the bottom flips open and all the rubbish comes streaming out. It's not doing it here because it's new and there's nothing in it, there's no weight at the moment in there, so I had to pull it open, but they do work really well. I have this on my old model. You just push the button down and pop, it comes open, and then you just push the button back up to close it. There's two filters with this model. There's one at the top here. You just pull the little flap on the housing and pull the filter out. I think you're supposed to clean these every month or so, and you do that by just rinsing them under the tap, you know, get all the dust out of them. But make sure you let it dry for at least 24 hours. You know, it needs to be bone dry before you put it back in there. And the other filter is here at the bottom. You simply unscrew the blue clip there, and you can pull the housing off and get to the filter that way. Quite simple, really. Another great feature of this vacuum cleaner is the fact that it hasn't got a button, or you don't have to put your foot on the end of the brush to start vacuuming. So you literally just put a little bit of weight on the, you push down and the wheels they pop away and the front comes down and it's ready to go. And when you push it back up right, the wheels pop out and it stands up. It's quite a fun feature and it does the job really well. So this is the on and off button, and next to it the little grey button is the one that you press if you're transitioning from carpet to wooden floor, for instance. So if you press the grey button, it turns the rollers off, and if you press it again, it turns them on when you get back on carpet. And this is the suction selector switch. Now, I'm still a novice at this, as you can probably tell, but I just wanted to show you quickly how easy it was to maneuver the vacuum around the carpet. So I've got it on the medium setting, and if I just tilt my wrist slightly left, slightly right, you can see the head of the vacuum cleaner sort of following my movements. Very easy to turn sharply, and it does seem to just glide around corners. Now, I have to say that this is a 12-year-old carpet. It was around 12 years old, and a couple of weeks before we bought this vacuum cleaner, the wife and I were talking about actually getting the carpet replaced, but hey presto, we run this vacuum over it a couple of times and it seems to have brought it back to life. All the piles now standing up on end. It's absolutely superb. You wouldn't believe this was 12 years old. Well, there you go, guys. That concludes my review of the Dyson Lightball multi-floor vacuum cleaner. So difficult to say, that is. As you can probably tell by the review I've just given, I give the vacuum cleaner a big thumbs up, and so does the wife, which is more important, obviously. Now, if you like this video, then please like, it does help. And if you'd like to see more unboxing videos and more tests of products, then hit the subscribe button. I'll also come back to your channel, have a look at your videos and subscribe and comment where I can. And if you've got any questions specifically for this vacuum cleaner, then please post them in the comments box thingy below and I'll answer as many as I can. Alright, but in the meantime, thank you very much for watching, and you guys have a great time and stay frosty. Alright, see you soon. Bye.